Capsicum versus capsaicin, a comprehensive understanding. Capsicum. The genus of plants that includes chili peppers. Often referred to as capsicum in the UK and Europe. 5 types of domesticated chili peppers: Capsicum annuum, Capsicum baccatum, Capsicum chinense, Capsicum frutescens, and Capsicum pubescens. Capsaicin. A chemical compound found in the fruit of most pepper plants. First isolated in 1878 in crystalline form. Used medically as a topical analgesic, weight loss supplement, and extract in commercial food production. Also found in pepper spray, bear spray, and sometimes used as a pest deterrent. Similarities. Both terms refer to concepts around chili peppers, with capsicum being the pepper itself and capsaicin being the active compound. Capsaicin in hot peppers: benefits, dosage, and side effects. Understanding capsaicin. Capsaicin, a chemical found in chili peppers, is known for its heat and medicinal properties. It interacts with a nerve receptor called TRPV1, which is found in the brain, peripheral nerves, bladder, blood vessels, and other areas. Capsaicin's health benefits include heart health. Anti-inflammatory qualities reduce the risk factors of heart disease in adults with low HDL cholesterol. Capsaicin may aid weight loss by boosting metabolism, enabling easier weight loss and fat burning. Theories suggest capsaicin may help keep the body lean, a theory that has been a culinary staple for thousands of years. In early subchronic toxicity studies, pure capsaicin or capsicum crude fruit extract reduced weight gain in rats due to decreased fat absorption from the GI tract. It works by increasing oxygen consumption and body temperature, leading to a slight increase in calories burned. Regular consumption may promote a calorie deficit and aid fat burning. 12-week study tied supplementing with 6 mg of capsaicin daily to a reduction in belly fat. Capsaicin also appears to have an appetite-suppressing effect, helping to cut calorie intake throughout the day. Capsaicin supplements: anti-inflammation, pain relief, and side effects. Capsaicin's anti-inflammation properties. Capsaicin supplements may combat free radicals, which promote chronic inflammation and increase the risk of conditions like cancer, autoimmune disorders, and heart disease. Hot peppers, rich in antioxidants, have been linked to a reduced risk of early death due to their high antioxidant content. Diets high in inflammation-reducing antioxidants have been associated with a lower risk of illnesses, especially heart disease, stroke, and specific cancers. Capsaicin's pain management. Capsaicin stimulates pain receptors, reducing sensitivity to pain. It's commonly used in topical pain relief creams, such as Menthocin, Zostrix, and Capsaicin Z. When applied to the skin, capsaicin may produce burning effects similar to eating it. Pain relief. Capsaicin is used in various pain relief treatments, including creams, lotions, and patches. Health risks. Nausea and vomiting. Capsaicin patches may cause problems for some, including nausea and vomiting. Diarrhea. Capsaicin may irritate the digestive tract lining, causing upset stomach and diarrhea. Acid reflux. Capsaicin could worsen symptoms of acid reflux. Amounts and dosage. Studies show few problems when taking 6 mg of capsaicinoids daily for 12 weeks. Another study found that eating approximately 30 grams of chopped chilies per day without noticeable negative effects on health, causing a burning sensation when consumed. The highest concentration of capsaicin is found in the seeds, making them significantly spicier than the flesh. Consumption of capsaicin stimulates pain receptors in the tongue, causing the sensation of heat. Capsaicin is measured in Scoville heat units, SHUs, ranging from 0 to 15 million. Precautions and side effects. Capsaicin supplements may cause a burning sensation in the digestive tract. They may raise body temperature due to their effect on heat receptors. Some individuals may be more susceptible to this sensation than others. Capsaicin supplements may increase blood pressure. Capsaicin supplements overview. Capsaicin supplements are generally safe but may irritate the digestive tract and raise body temperature. Dosage of capsaicin supplements is typically 2 to 6 mg per day. Most supplements contain cayenne pepper, which is high in capsaicin. Dosages aren't typically standardized by the FDA, so starting with a low dose is advised. It's crucial to purchase capsaicin supplements from a reputable source.